With data scientists, communication is not easy. They have different slang and expect you to use it fluently. Like, why don't we create some NLP using GPT-3 and maybe we'll mix it with XGBoost? So it's like, okay, like in human language, please. The good information is that communication challenges are fairly easy to tackle, and I think they are the most important on the list. So we have prepared a special list for you that I will present in a moment. But first I want to show you the differentiation between the theory and practice. Let's go one by one. You should start with understanding what they do. I mean, you should understand what data scientists do, and this course is the best step that you can actually take. The second point on the list is show respect towards the data and algorithm. I know, sounds crazy, but believe me, data and algorithms for those people, for data scientists, it's their life, it's their career, it's something they are so passionate about. So respect it. I saw so many times that business was like, okay, take any data you can. Like algorithm, you have to pick one of them. No, just take the first on the list. And the data scientist was like, whoa, come on, you're talking about data and algorithm, my work. So please do respect the data. First start learning about them. This course, good step. But after this, you need to show respect. The third point is be patient. Communication and building this way of communicating between you and data scientist team takes time. You need to learn each other. And especially for data scientists, it's not like immediate action. They need to learn you as well. They need to learn your approach as well. The fourth point is use rephrasing technique. This works like a charm. So when I talk to data scientists and they spell a lot of stuff that I cannot even handle, I say, okay, if I understood correctly, you mean that. And I use the most plain business language that I can come up with. It works wonderfully because they say, yeah, this is exactly what I said. Didn't you catch it, Maria? And I said, no, yes, of course, I'm just rephrasing it, so I'm sure that I understood right. The fifth point on our great list is to learn technology. And this is a suggestion to you. Learn technology. Not only through this course, but please read whatever you can about technology in general. It will make this process easy for you. And also learn buzzwords. And this is the sixth point. So buzzwords, after this course, you will know 90% of them, and then try to use them in everyday communication with data scientists. Such buzzwords as NLP, GPT-3, CV, so on and so forth. You will know them after the course, so don't worry. You will be prepared. Another point is do not make them present, because they are usually poor presenters. They just don't like it. They feel shy. So actually we have data scientists of two profiles, of two types. One, poor presenter, and they are like, oh, I will say what I need to say, and then I will leave the room. And so it takes like 5 minutes. It's super coherent and business understands nothing. And there is a second group, another type, which is actually people who think that they present well, and they can brag about their projects and about their technologies. For example, recommendation systems or Rust language or Python capabilities, and they can go on for hours. Nobody actually cares and nobody understands because they are waiting for this conclusion. Tell me the business conclusion. And they tell you more about the technology. So I suggest do present yourself and let me say, leave them aside, just take the main conclusions from them. Do not make them present. And last but not least, teach them business. This is obvious, but actually majority of AI managers do not do it. They assume that data scientists know it, but actually they don't. So when you need to understand data science, they need to understand business. They don't know what ROI is. They don't know why the business budget happens. They don't know the schedule. So if you say, we have this milestone, we need to reach it by a certain time, they're, okay, what's in it for me? So you need to show them your side of the business. And believe me, this can be easily done. So I hope you will be able to adapt all of those tips in your daily work. And believe me, they do magic.